Hi, welcome to Krishna's Kitchen Jatpat Khana. Today we will see
take 1 teaspoon of oil, 6 to 7 cup of vegetable stock, add half cup of your masoor dal, and let it done at medium heat. Add black pepper, one teaspoon of salt, and cover it with a lid and let it done for 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes at medium high heat. See, our lentil soup is done, and now you can serve this soup. Garnish with red chili flakes. And have a good taste. You can serve this soup with toasted bread.
try this and have a good taste and be with Jatpat Khana. See you in our next video.